Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I've got this other Juniper in the shed today, so I'm going to have a bit play with this. So what I'll do is, I'll tell you a little bit about the tree and what I've already done to it in the past year or 2 years. Mix outside, doing the boss's tree, that's for another video. So he's having a bit play out there. Are you happy, son?
Be better if I had pads for my knees.
Oh, he's complaining about his age because of the old age, like, but never mind. So what I'll do is I'll bring you in, give you a look what I've already done to this tree, then I'll start and wire it. So as you can see, it's got a bend in the trunk, which I put in. There's a screw still in the top there. What it was, the tree was straight up, so the tree just went straight up. Then we had this live bit coming out the top, and it was all on one side of the tree. So I put that bend in there, just tapered it up, screwed it, left it for a year, and it's healed over lovely. I ginned this top bit so we can have it coming out of the side instead of straight up. I also wanted to try my branch splitters out, so I split this branch. It's like I see it was just down there. The reason I split the branch was so I can get a pad down into the back and one round here into the front. Then we've got these branches to create pads on this side and one at the top of the apex. I think I'll do the lime sulphur first, then I'll do the wire, so I can come in and get the wire over the top of the lime sulphur. So here we go. So I'm just going to add the wire onto the tray now, put some music on while I'm playing. So as you can see, the tray's all been wired, the lime sulphur's been done, I've been done, I've had a shave, different change of clothes. The reason for that is I started this video on Sunday and today is now Thursday. I've been that busy with work and working on a night. I really haven't had time to finish the video, so I thought it's time to get into it and get it finished. Looking at the tray like this, I think it needs a little bit of an angle change. Not much, just slight. So I was just thinking, maybe it's about there. It's only a slight change. What I'm going to do is start working onto this first pad and continue up the tray. So I'll get cracking with this first pad and we can see what we can make out of this Juniper. Okay, I finished styling the tree. Why, basic styling. I wouldn't say it was a finished tree, like, but never mind. It's got a long way to go, but there's some movement in the branches now. There's some basic structure into the pads. It looks a lot better than what it did. It could do with a repot, but the best time to repot junipers is late spring, which late spring runs through May and June. So I'll give it another couple of weeks in there, then I'll get it repotted. I don't think it turned out too bad. What I'll do is, I'll bring you in and give you a look at it. When you get a close-up video, it doesn't look that good, it looks better from a distance, eh? But I'll bring you in and give you a look. So it's the start of something anyways, better than what it did look like. That looks a bit high. Just put it down. What I've done is took a picture of the foliage on the app I use called Picture This. It's a plant identifier. So I'll put the results up. It's usually 80% right. Well, I'll put the results up what it says it is after this. So that's it for this video on this basic signing of this juniper. I don't know what kind of juniper it is, so I'll try and find out. The only thing to do with this now is repot it, but like I say, needs repotting. Junipers like repotting in late spring, which runs through May and June. So maybe it's a couple of weeks into May, I'll give it a repot. I could have done it now and put it in the greenhouse, but the greenhouse is brimming and we kind of get nothing in it. So I would just like to say thank you for watching the video. Like I say, it's been hitty missy this week with their work and working after work. So I'll get a few done this weekend. But thanks for watching the video. If you haven't, please take the time to subscribe. Make the content worth doing. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!